All right, guys, here we go. I finally got a tag on this beast, and look who's here. It's Karib.
Karib?
Karib, Riri.
Wait. I know you're already filming, don't worry about it. That's better.
So, got the tag finally. And Caleb, what'd you get today?
I finally got the tag too.
And?
Well,
a turtle.
Oh yeah, that'll come later.
Check out Caleb's turtle video.
Just don't hate me
at some point in time, right over here.
Just don't hate me because my video is vertical instead of horizontal. I was trying not to lose fingers.
No, when you load it in, it'll fix it.
Really?
There'll just be black bars on the side.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that. See, I don't know what I'm doing.
And what's the tag for?
Your tag or my tag?
Well, they know what my tag's for.
For the WRX?
Yeah. Which we're going to do an update video on extremely soon. See all the new cool stuff that's been done to it.
Exactly. Wait, we haven't done that yet?
No. We did one, but now you've updated it more.
It's been a while.
It has been a while. So, coming soon.
Peace. What's up? We're back.
Hello.
Hello. It's kind of ironic. Your shirt kind of matches your car, but not really.
Not really. It's a little too blue.
Too blue. I don't know.
You saw me standing alone.
I don't get it.
I don't know either.
Where are we going?
We're just going to ride around. And so this is the official naming/shaming video.
It's always a shame.
Yeah, ain't that a shame? Ain't that a shame?
Boom, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum.
My tears fell like rain.
That's all. I'm not going any further with that.
Ain't that a shame? Sorry.
Stop it!
So anyways, I think we're gonna have fun. This is a good little video. Go drive around a little bit, show everybody the car is running. Considering from the last video that some scary things happened, but everything seems to be fine now.
There was no explosion. There was no boom.
Yeah.
Hey, my seat didn't pop. Is that because it's not a Mustang?
My seat pop.
My seat pop.
If you don't know that video, check out this one. So anyways, we're just gonna go cruising down the road. Maybe we'll see something pretty. So, we are going to...
First of all, not get hit by this guy in the truck.
Yeah. What is all that?
And police car.
We got up to at least 40. At least.
At least 40.
At least 40.
There was no police.
Yeah. So, naming. We sent out a, some Instagram posts, some Facebook posts, and I'm hoping I checked them all because I probably didn't. But I tried to get everybody's name that they came up with written down, and I think we got a pretty neat list here. So pretty good stuff. So here's
Would you want me to read while you drive?
I got it.
Give it a. All right. Do I have to say the hashtag or no?
I think you have to say hashtag. If you don't, then they won't know that they're not getting pounded.
Sure, we'll go with that. All right. Hashtag minty stale Civic.
That's the one I came up with.
That was yours? Okay.
Minty stale, because it's not minty fresh.
It could be.
It could be, but it'd take a lot more body work.
We could call it double mint yum.
Double mint yum. That sounds like super creepy.
Just
put like free candy on the side of it and everything.
No, that's not. That's
black out all the windows.
We're not going that direction. All right. Hashtag crusty mint.
Crusty mint.
Who came up with that one?
I think a few people said crusty. A lot of people just said mint. And I was like, maybe crusty mint. So I think that was a conglomerate of a lot of people.
But what is? I don't get it. Crusty?
It's crusty because it's rusty.
And
it's
old rusty.
It's mint. It's mint.
It's meant to be.
Yeah.
All right.
I got a name for it.
And
oh,
hashtag. Read it.
Rusty.
Rusty. Classic.
Yeah.
Who came up with that one?
I thought you had a Hemi. I think that's one you came up with.
I think it might be. I think I was just goofing off. Anyway, moving on. Hashtag mental illest. Mint, as in M-E-N-T.
No, M-I.
M-O. I can't read your handwriting.
M-I-N-T, but you know how to spell mint.
I wasn't thinking.
Because that was yours.
Shush. I can't read. You wrote it down. I've been working all day. I can't read while you're driving. Mental illness.
I like that. I like that pretty good. Oh, yeah, we missed one right here. Chris's.
Oh, well, I was going to go over that one. Like you said, omit it. Fart mint.
Fart mint. It's kind of like Dartmouth, but it's fart mint. Yeah.
Fart mint.
Fart mint.
You used to sound like
fart
that.
Mint.
Until you changed it.
Oh, God. Oh, yeah. No, it sounded
Turbo was so
rough.
much better.
If you forget how it sounded, check out this video.
Yeah. Next one up is hashtag faux rust gump.
Faux rust gump. Looks like false.
Yeah, fox rust.
Fox rust.
Fox rust gump, but gump doesn't really.
Yeah, faux rust.
Gump doesn't go with the car, but
No.
we should probably call it faux rust dump.
Faux rust dump. That actually sounds pretty good.
Nice.
Faux rust dump.
Faux rust dump.
I like that one.
Okay, and then we got hashtag teal bullet.
The teal bullet. I think that sounds way too nice, though, doesn't it? That sounds like it's way faster than it is and way cleaner looking.
Yeah.
I like the teal bullet, but that's after it's already been.
Maybe that's like
redone.
a Lexus or something.
Yeah, the teal.
Not a Civic.
A Lexus.
The Lexus. You gonna just name it a Lexus?
Alexis.
We should name it Siri. Seriously. Ah!
Alexa.
There you go.
Yeah.
The next one up is hashtag Rustec. R-U-S-T-E-C.
Like VTEC, but it's rustic. But it's rustic. Rustec.
Rustec.
I like it. That's pretty good, actually.
It is pretty good.
Yeah. That was by a guy with the last name of Colon. He's from Puerto Rico. And his name is Colon.
Cologne.
But it was spelled just like colon.
Like Colin Powell.
Yeah. So I give him a lot of colon jokes.
Mm.
Yeah. He likes it.
Poor guy.
He likes it.
Alright. Next one up is Crusty Boy. B-O-I.
Crusty Boy.
Boy.
There you go.
Look up that one.
I think it was TRD or Die. Check him out on Instagram.
What are we doing right now?
We're circling through. We're just gonna circle around.
We're in some kind of a park.
Yeah,
I swear if I hear banjo music, I'm getting out of the car and running away.
I forgot they charge to be in this park, so we're not gonna be in this park.
Not very long. Okay, next one up is hashtag dirty underwear.
that was Greg.
Greg, you're a sick man.
Dirty underwear. Dirty underwear. And I can't remember exactly what he said now. He said, I don't know. What do you think? Crap stained panties. Was dirty underwear.
What panties you looking at, man? Come on.
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright, up next is Rustburger.
Rustburger?
Is that like the disease Asperger's?
I've got a little bit of that thing.
What?
I don't think so. I think that's totally different.
Okay, we went the wrong direction on that one. Next one up is hashtag Minty.
Minty. It is minty. But I think it needs to be a little bit dirty. Maybe it's dirty mint. Dirty mint.
Dirty mint?
Dirty mint.
Okay.
Dirty mint gum.
That's not bad.
It's actually not bad.
Alright, the next one up is hashtag Seabass.
Seabass.
Who came up with that?
I can't remember. I can't remember who said that.
Kick his ass,
I can't say that in my video.
Well, we can edit that out.
Okay. Just throw some salt over your shoulder.
Who's the dead man who hit me with a salt shaker? It was him. That's all we got on the list.
Can you think of any other great ones right off the top of your head, Caleb?
Mentos, the fresh Quaker. I don't know.
The fresh Quaker? Like the people?
Yes. Yes.
The colony people? The Quaker?
I don't know. Like the fresh maker. I was trying to go. There's nothing in Civic that works for that.
Yeah.
And cut.
I really like the one that you came up with, the mental illest. I like that one the best, I think that's my favorite. I am curious, though, to see what everybody else says.
I don't know. Faux rust dump sounds freaking awesome.
Faux rust dump. But I'm afraid everybody's going to read the sticker on the back.
Fox rust dump.
Fox rust dump? I don't get it.
Isn't it French? Isn't faux?
Faux? Is faux French?
I don't know.
Probably is. They're a bunch of fakers.
I got nothing.
I like American fries.
I don't think they call them fries over there.
What do they call them?
I think they call them chips.
What?
I think. Maybe that's England.
I think that's in England.
I don't know. I'm not very culturally up to date.
Yeah.
If that's even a thing.
Yeah. Who knows?
Who knows? It's nebulous.
Look like a freight train there. Yeah. So we're gonna put up a pole and check out the pole. Right.
Somewhere over there.
There.
Wait, hands on the wheel. Somewhere up here.
Yeah. We're gonna throw the pole up. Check the pole. We're gonna throw all these in there. I am curious to see what everybody thinks we should name it.
Think of anything else?
Yeah, if you think of any other great names, throw it in the comments because we're naming this thing. This is the video. This is it. We're gonna figure out what to name it, and from here on out, that's what it's gonna be called. So,
double mint yum sounds pretty good, dude.
Double mint yum, but that sounds like super creepy. Yeah.
Well, look at the car. It looks creepy.
The car does look kind of creepy, but you know, it's being what it is. I mean, it's a Civic that has probably double the power that it originally once had, which is pretty good for a Civic. I mean, it's pretty good. Moves out pretty good, drives pretty good, does pretty good. And the main reason for painting it this way was so I didn't have to do any body work. It has the rat rod look, and that's it. You know, it's everything's good to go from there. So, I don't know. Hopefully come up with something good. I really do like the mental illest. I think that's pretty ingenious. And you came up with that one like off the top of your head.
Well, that's when you pulled in the parking lot and I saw it the first time, and I was like,
Yeah.
I don't know. I was creative at that point in time because I was,
Yeah. Now you're not creative.
Now I'm freaking tired and my brain is not working.
That happened.
My turn to drive. My turn to drive. My turn to drive.
No, not so.
My turn to drive.
All right. I've never let anybody drive this car except for Caleb.
I'm gonna break it.
Don't break it. That's
gonna happen.
Yeah, don't do that.
Last time I drove your Mustang, your fuel pump went out. That was the red one. And y'all left me on the side of the road when you went with the truck driver. Or the wrecker.
You said to.
Well, there was no room for me.
All right, here we go.
I'm not gonna stall it out.
Okay.
I might.
All right. Wow. Almost like you've been riding a motorcycle or something.
What does that have to do with the cost of whatever?
What?
I forgot how the saying goes. What does that have to do with the price of cheap
High cost of living. Ain't nothing like the cost of living high.
Maybe, I don't know. Hey, look, the stop sign. I won't stop.
Wow. That is impressive. start shifting it.
I know. Story of my life. Oh, your ball came off. We don't need balls where we're going.
Dude.
That was awkward. Put your ball back on. You didn't tell me your ball was so loose.
Yeah, I gotta fix that.
Oh, that was hilarious.
I ripped it off shifting the other night.
Is that what she said?
No, I hope not.
It's not good.
Stop it.
That's enough for me.
Whew. Felt good in it.
I can't see a thing. It's so bright.
Felt good?
I've got better. No, I haven't.